get Sahula here, the most amazingly with a daughter, right?
Say hi, Rosalie.
Hi! Hey, who's the fastest cook?
The man and the
Oh, yeah, big Chaka. Let's get a Chaka. Awesome. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Guess what, man? It's Saturday night and I'm late for a party, and dish I'm gonna make is a wonton pea with a piece of ahi over here. Before we start, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to go in and heat up the oil. Just about medium heat. Okay, and then I'll be making my stuff. Here's your ahi, right? And you see, you got all these suji part right over here. So what I'm gonna do is that, you get the suji part. You just scrape off all the suji here. You scrape all the meat here, okay? But the suji, when you cook them, it shrinks. These other pieces here, I slice them into really small, thin pieces, okay? Just like this. Just slice them small pieces. Actually, you can buy the ground ahi and do this, okay? It's kind of late today, and I just had this in the refrigerator the other night. Now, I have some round onions, and this is option. I chopped a real thin round onions, okay? But this gonna add some crunch. You can actually put inside over here like stuff like water chestnut and all kinds of stuff. But inside this mix here, I put in some Hawaiian salt. Thank you. This was given to me by Grove Farms, and I put the Hawaiian salt. I mix it with the onions and the small diced fish. Okay. Now in another bowl, I grab some sriracha sauce. And I put in some cream cheese. I get the whipped one now. Don't get the solid one. You need the whipped one, the soft one. So the cream cheese kind of takes the place of the mayonnaise. Okay? And then here I have the mixture of the sriracha sauce and the cream cheese. I'm gonna mix it all up. See? Just like this. There. I got some wonton pea right over here. Let me show you how it's done. You have the wonton pea. You dab your poke in here. Fold it over in half, just like this, and you press it down. The fire is ready, so what I do is I'm gonna put them in and fry it. You move it around a little with this. So just move it around. So all of you know that, when you eat the wonton, it's gotta be fresh. So, whatever I fry today, I'm gonna eat it today. But the poke is, it's unreal. Look at this, man. Fried poke wonton. Burger looks good, but let's see how it tastes. Oh man. Man, that's sweet. We'll see you on the Man and the Pan. Great for Valentine's Day. Unreal. Aloha.